After you click on Start or Retake, the Guided Self-Placement tool will open. The Math Guided Self-Placement tool is divided into 3 sections or pages. The first page, which consists of 3 questions, is there to help you learn how to use the My Open Math system. It will go over how to enter your answers in My Open Math. The second section, called Math Skills, can be found by clicking on the right arrow. In this section, there are 15 questions which will assess your current math skills. You will do better if you review ahead of time. We have resources to help you review. See the Math Guided Self-Placement webpage for those resources. You will want to answer as many questions as you can on the Math Skills page. When you're ready to go on to the next section, you can click on the right arrow again. This section is labeled Your Background. In this section, you're going to answer questions about how you've experienced math in the class and what your confidence level is. When you're done with this page, you will click on the final section, which is the next steps. When you have completed the Guided Self-Placement tool, you will click on Submit and End, but don't do it yet. This page is going to show you what it will look like after you click on Submit and End. A new page will open and we'll go over that in just a moment. After clicking on Submit and End, a new page will open. There you will find a link to access the gradebook. When the gradebook page opens, you will be able to find your score. Down at the bottom, you will click on Submit and End. This says there appears to be unattempted questions. After submitting, you will not be able to change your answers on this version of the assessment. Are you ready to submit? I left some blank because I wasn't sure. I'm ready to submit, so I click OK. If I want to go back and answer them, I can click on Cancel, and then I can use the navigation buttons to find the ones I skipped. Let's click OK. On the right side of the next page, you will see all the attempts that you have taken for the Math Guided Self-Placement tool. You want to click on Review Work in Gradebook. After you click on Review Work in Gradebook, you will see on the 8th line down that there is, right here, a score out of 150. Be sure to write down that number, 61.4. If you want to see what you got wrong, you can scroll down and you can check them out. You'll notice I skipped the first 3 because I already know a lot about how to use My Open Math. I got some of these right, but this one has an X. If I click on the key symbol, it will show me what the correct answer is. I can use this to go through and find out what topics I need to review before I take it again. Your score on the Guided Self-Placement tool will be automatically entered into the system by the college. It's usually fast, but it can take up to 48 hours, especially over weekends and holidays. Again, you may take the assessment up to 5 times a semester. We will use the highest score for your placement. Then you can simply click on Log Out to log out of My Open Math.